Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Right, today I'm just doing a very quick look at these from Lidl Parkside set of interlocking organisers. Right, so these are $14.99 and you get 3 of them. Not necessarily good value for money, about a £5 each. But if you buy 2, the pair of these is 20 quid. Or a little bit over £3 each individual one of these, which is not bad. Right, so I did have some tape across the bottom. I've already opened these up. So I'm just going to have a couple of quick observations. The purpose of buying these is to house a whole bunch of Tiggy type consumables and other similar sorts of things, which I hope to be which I will be acquiring quite a bit of, because I have spent, and I'm waiting for it to turn up, quite a lot of money on a TIG, MIG, arc and plasma cutter jobby made by Cinder. Hasn't arrived yet. Bit annoying. Right, so the organisers. First things first, these obviously clip together. You can clip as many of these together as you like. Problem is that the clips are a bit uncooperative. What I found is, lean on it a bit, you can pull it out. If you don't, it's a bit stiff. So they're a bit stiff from new. Don't know how that's going to work out over the long term. So there you go, little organiser. You can't open this one here because that clamps against the black bit of the one on top, so that can't open. Okay, so you can only ever open the one at the top. Open that up, and these are the bits you can take out. That one, that one, that one. Something I will note is when that was clamped down, those are a lot stiffer. Let me just demonstrate that. Set up, chuck that back on there. These done up is a little bit less difficult. So we've got those together. If I now do that, pull that up. Okay, now I have found a couple of these. That one there is quite stiff. So these might be a little bit stiff for you, that's what I'm saying. But if we take those all out, you can see what sort of space you're left with. And then obviously you can partition this how you like. Also, these bits have a couple of ridges at the top which help you pull them out. So that's where they go in. Okay, so you can now work out how you're going to go and fit stuff in. It's exactly what I'm going to do now. All my tungstens in one place, nicely done. I can go for take that out for a minute. And that's nicely organised, that's what it's for. So, quite like that. Would I buy some more? No, but that's because I think I've got enough of them. So that's what you get if you are going to buy them. Think ahead, because it's at £5 each. If you pay £15 for that, that's £5 each tub. If you go and get another 5, for another £5, it seriously drops the price. So that's what I would do if I was you. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe.